Bohol Bee Farm, let's go! Here's the beautiful pool, just a few steps from the rooms. This is where you'll head down from the restaurant to catch a peaceful beach view. It's a nice spot to sit and relax for a bit. They also have spaces for events, including a function hall and a pavilion. And of course, you can't miss their famous ice cream. One of the things I love about this place is how they showcase local craftsmanship. You can swim here too, but watch out for sea urchins. They also have a shop filled with organic products and Filipino goods. You'll find everything from herbal teas and spreads to souvenirs. They even offer samples of their vegetarian cassava chips, called cab-cab, a crunchy snack made from cassava. Bohol Bee Farm is not just about food or views, it's an experience. The vibe here is really laid back and focused on nature and sustainability. You'll find plenty of spots to slow down, enjoy the fresh air, and connect with the island life.